Oh, ça va, mon chien. Vegan dogs are in. We're here. You knew we were getting here. The Lighthouse Inn Talacre, point of air, most northern point of Cymru, Wales. Oh, half turn. Oh, yes, you got televisions, 2 of them. They've put some modern pictures up there. Oh, fruit machines, no Space Invaders. Oh dear, dear. Right, that's the pool room. They've got all sorts of rooms here. No vaping at the bar, and no children. Oh, no, the children can't vape here. And they have live music that isn't live at the moment. But it's Bank Holiday Monday, which is the 6th of May, 2024. And I'm here with a 13-year-old Belgian Shepherd Groenendahl, probably the biggest in the world because he's on a vegan diet all his life. That white is just vitiligo, like what Michael Jackson had. You know, he was all black until he was about 8 years old, and now he's 13. Yes. So, right. Now, I need a refreshment. They do me Earl Grey teas, they used to, but I think they've lapsed. Oh, everybody lapses. Yes, nothing's ever stays the same. Oh, they got holes in the ceiling. I wonder what that's about. Anyway, right, so it's time for, let's have a look at me in my high visibility jacket. Ah, yes. Hey, my name is Noel of Cuscus, otherwise known as Nana, to those who know me better. Well, than most. Oh, yeah. Yes, I'm a fat old bird. I shall lose the weight some one of these days. Right, I'm just videoing myself. Oh, thank you, madam. Right, I'm coming. Oh, yes, talking to myself as usual. No one takes any notice of me. Do you do Earl Grey tea for me? Pardon? A pot of it, I would love a pot. Earl Grey? I don't know. I don't like any other tea. Well, I mean, it has to be a tea I like. Where's that dog of mine gone? Oi! This is distraction. Oh, hello, he's busy getting petted. Oh, yes. Is this still on? I don't know if it's still on. Oh, Shawadi Wadi, I think. Low. Even a toilet can only serve one asshole at a time. Brilliant. Sorry. Yes, that's not... Well, I consider myself one of them. Oh, gosh. Yeah, well, I'll try and remember that. Right. Did you say you did Earl Grey tea? Oh, wonderful. A nice pot, please. Yes, I shall... I'll go outside with it when you... Yeah. Come along, Woofer. Right, well, I must take him away from you now. Oh, well. Come along, woof, woof. We're going for our tea. It's far too hot. I need to take my jacket off. Right, well, this is the madhouse. Yeah? Food order point. Ah, madame. Ma chère. Oh, gosh, no, one doesn't have any milk in Earl Grey, madam.
I don't like tea.
Oh, you don't like tea. Question for you. Do you do chips at this time? Not yet. Anything later, no?
No.
On a bank holiday Monday, then?
Yeah, we were dead before, so it was totally dead, so we've...
Really? You shut the kitchens? Yeah. Well, don't worry, it's not good for me anyway. The diabetics shouldn't eat
Do you like any sugar?
Oh, gosh, no. Diabetics, nobody should eat sugar. That's what got me into the diabetes mode. Right, well, I'll come back and pay you when I've put it outside.
Okay,
Right,
yeah.
I'll turn this video off because you're now going to be on YouTube, madam.
Oh, no.